Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. In this video, I'm doing some more UR Sugar gel polishes, but this time I'm doing some glitter polishes, again in the pots. And I just wanted to swatch them for you guys, see what you guys thought. So again, I'm going to be using my little swatch circle thing here. I've already got it labeled with the numbers of the polishes. It goes from L001 all the way to L012. So that's 12 different colors. So I'm going to be swatching these for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be right back. Also, what I'm going to be using to do my swatches, again, I have this gel brush that I got from Alpha Brush. This one I got, it was on sale, maybe $2.99 or so. I have my little dish over here with some acetone in it, just for cleanup purposes. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So sorry about that. Give me just a few moments. I'm going to go ahead and do the swatches, and then I will come back and show you what they look like. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back in real quick and show you guys what these first 5 colors look like. I don't know if you can really tell, but these are more like top coats than they are standalone polishes, I guess you could say, because you could barely tell a difference. So what I'm probably gonna do is go back in and use a white polish and then put those over the white so we can see what those look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest and show you guys those, and then I'll do those first 5, or the 2, 3, 4, and 5 again, because 1 you can see, but it's just 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'll be right back. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I have all the colors on, and this is just one coat. I guess all of these look like they can just be used as a top coat over another polish, or you can use them as like jelly colors, I guess. This one, this one, this one, and this one look more like jelly colors, and I guess this red one too. But these, you can see, you can't really see these colors at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and do some white nails on this same swatch stick here, and then I'm gonna put these colors over that white and see what those look like. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so here you can see I am back. I have gone in and put the white polish underneath those other ones, so you can see them there on the left. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover because I couldn't use the audio from the video. But so yeah, you can see the white ones here that I put those those 4 colors over. It doesn't really do much, it's just a light color. I mean, I guess it's okay, but so it's not bad. But I like these overall. I thought on the jelly color ones the glitter was a little chunky, but other than that it was okay once I put the top coat, so that was fine. I was just showing you all the colors here in the pots open, and now you can see I have, here I go, I've actually top coated all of them. So now they all have their top coat, and that's what their final look. On each one I only did 1 coat, so I think 1 coat is enough with these. I guess it depends on the coverage you want to, but I thought 1 coat would be enough, because on the lighter ones, even if you put 2 coats, you're probably still not gonna see it that much. But anyways, here I just wanted to show you guys, don't pay attention so much to the color that's on the lid, because it really is not always a good representative of what's in the pot. Like this one I'm showing you, that's completely different from what's on the lid. It looks nothing like it. So don't always go by what's on the lid, because that's not always a good representative of that color. And here's this other one. This one is just a holographic polish, but look what's on the lid. It looks like it should be gold or something. So don't always go by what's on the lid. That's just my advice for you on these, because they're not always the best color or representative of what's inside the pot. But anyway guys, these are all 12 of the colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting, and those of you that are subscribed, like I said, if you're not, please go ahead and do so, and thanks for watching.